Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing and trying on my Stitch Fix box. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's a clothing delivery service that where you pay a $20 styling fee, and they seriously, how long can you back up for? They're done. Where they curate 5 pieces and based on your preferences, your style, and how and the information you give your stylist, you get to open them up, try them on, decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back, put them in the envelope, and send them back on their merry way. So it's a really cool way to try out new clothes. The last few months have been a little bit of a miss for me, but I've definitely gotten some great pieces. So one thing you have the opportunity of doing, and so many of you are so familiar with this service, and I do them about once a month, is that you get to leave your stylist a note. And this month I told my stylist I had nothing in particular that I was actually needing or wanting, so to have free reign, and I kind of told her like have fun. So this can go 2 ways, like a really good or really bad. One thing I was kind of interested to see if my stylist took that and ran with it and like tried some new pieces out of my comfort zone, or she kept it safe. So we'll see. I think that'll be kind of interesting to find out. So if you're new to my unboxings, I unbox, give you my first impressions, and then I try on. Everything that I try on I'll leave in the description box down below. If you want to request it from your stylist, do so please. Okay, let's see our note. It says, hello again, Sarah. I watched your recent unboxing and was so happy to see you love the floral top and jeans for fall. I wear those jeans all the time and I get so many compliments on that floral top. I rebrowsed your Pinterest and saw some deconstructed distressed skinnies, so I sent the Delmar jeans for some texture. Paired these with the soft olive Romey knit top and complete with the Abrianna cardigan from Mix. Add a nude flat for work. I saw some beautiful dresses pinned and thought you would love the rich burgundy Siona knit dress from Britton for both work and weekend. Add the cardigan or opt for a denim jacket for a more casual look. Enjoy trying on your new pieces. I look forward to hearing from your feedback so we can keep working towards your ideal fall closet. Cheers, Julia. Just like wrote that. Okay, so let's see where we're at. So it sounds like I kind of got a good mix. Cardigan, jeans, dress. Let's check it out. So first up is this Colette Romey cold shoulder knit top. Oh, this is kind of interesting. So it's this olive green color. This is retails for $28. It looks a little short for me. It has the cold shoulder. Trying to get in there. Oh, that's really cute though, that it kind of like does this like twist kind of detail at the shoulder, so that can be cute. I'm a little concerned how like short it is, but hey, again, we're gonna try it on. Stripes. What is this? Oh, this is could be cute. This is a cardigan and this is the oh, Mix by 41 Hawthorn Abrianna long sleeve cardigan. This is $38, so it's just a cardigan with stripes, long sleeve. Yeah, I like open cardigans. Typically I like them in plain colors, but you know. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I was just recording. I mean, I was just thinking I was filming and the record button wasn't on. Anyway, I was talking about this dress. I'll just say the information again. It's the French gray Monnie knit dress. It retails for $48. This is a polyester 95%. And it feels like polyester and it feels cheap. I mean, from like this point of view, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't feel like the best of quality. And this is just a little bit, I don't want to say mature, maybe like too sophisticated for me. I just don't wear a lot of like clothing like this. I try a little bit more edgier things, or I stay pretty basic. So yeah, I mean, but it could be cute on. Okay, and then next is this, the 9 Britton Siona Hacci knit dress, and it's 44. This feels like I would like this for pajama pants. It's like super soft, but I don't know about this dress. And then the last are the Studio Blue Del Mar Distressed Skinny Jean, and these are 64. Distressed. So in all honesty, I'm not wowed. Yeah, I'm just not wowed. I'm not like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to try that on. I'm just kind of like, eh. My gut feeling is that I'm not going to keep anything, and I'm okay with that. Yeah, so let's get to the try on. Okay, so here's the striped cardigan, guys. It's okay. It's not anything where I'm like totally wowed by it. It's incredibly thin. It doesn't feel that quality of a material. This is just kind of where it hits. So I think this could be like super cute with like an all black, like I wore leggings and a black, like a scoop neck tank and then a cardigan. But you guys, it's just so like it's so flimsy. I can't justify even the inexpensive price that it is for something that I feel like after a few washes is just gonna disintegrate. Let's move to the next one. Okay, so here's the second shirt. I just think that sometimes like these tops make me look a little bit bigger, and the fact that it's like, it definitely is not like exactly the length I like. It's just kind of like an awkward length and fit. Not anything particular amazing. The detail is actually really cute on the sleeve. Like, I like this open look. I just don't like the rest of the cut of it. The color is good, this detail is cute, but otherwise it's just, again, it's just so. Okay, so here is this dress. Oh, you guys, it feels soft. I don't know how to explain this material. It feels soft on the outside, but so scratchy on the inside. Like, it's, I don't know if I can show you, like, it's like that really scratchy material. It's like really thin. Here's what it looks like. Again, nothing special. I just feel like, again, this doesn't feel like Stitch Fix quality. It feels just cheap. Like, I get this at Forever 21. That's what I'm not understanding about this time. Typically I'm not feeling like the clothes are cheaply or not well made. In this round, I don't know what's going on. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so here's this dress. Again, the polyester feel is yucks. Are these functional buttons? I don't know, but this, if this was like a top, I'd like really like it, but the dress is just not flattering. It just makes my like just makes me, you can just, I have no hips, and it just like accentuates that. I still have my pants in my leg because, you know, life. Really just not flattering to my shape, and again, the polyester quality just doesn't feel great. So we have one more piece. Let's try the jeans. Okay, so lastly we have the jeans. Like, they're okay. I don't love how, like, sometimes within the knees they're really like symmetrical and not really at my knee. And then one thing is they'd have to be hemmed. They're not as skinny as I normally like. Oh my gosh, you guys, but how cute is this? She doesn't want to be left out of the video. How cute are you, princess? Oh, you wanted to be in the video too. So overall, this month it was a 0 out of 5. There's not a piece that I'm liking. I mean, out of anything, my favorite piece was that green top because I just like the detail on the sleeve. But I still didn't see myself wearing it just because of the structure of it. It felt a little bit short. Everything else was a no. And you guys, I am a little bit shocked that the materials were just not as something that I am used to for Stitch Fix. I don't want any of you to be discouraged because I think their quality is so good. I found like great pieces of jeans, but I don't know, for whatever reason, this month's materials for me just didn't feel as quality or, you know, as luxurious as they normally are, even for their price point. I am very sensitive to scratchy materials, so some of them just felt like the burgundy just felt like so scratchy. I just hate that feeling. So overall, this was a miss for me, and that happens sometimes, you guys. I'm not upset about it. It's not always going to be a 5 for 5, or, you know, or you're gonna get 1 or 2 pieces. It's just the way it goes. I think she did a great job trying to get stuff that fit in my style. Just none of it was a go for me this month. Yeah, I'm going to send this one back, and I think I'm gonna request one sooner than later since nothing worked out. So look for another video coming up soon, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.